has Scar's cough. Now he thinks he feels much better. He will get his claws out to scratch the table to see if he is